name is Max, and today I want you to tell what I really learned in school in computer science course. So yeah, I took a computer science advanced course in school and I finished my A-levels this year in spring, I don't know. Yes, and I want to show you what I learned in the last 2 years. I was quite lucky that I had the chance to take this advanced course in computer science, because that's not the standard it is in Germany. We have many schools without those possibilities. So what you learn in computer science advanced course in Germany in this 2 years till the A-levels is, yes, it's kind of part of the basics. So the first thing we learn is about variables, if-else statements, loops, while loops, for loops. You get kind of the basic syntax of one programming language. In our case it was Java. Yes, but it's also possible Delphi or something like that. That's what you learn first. Yeah, and you continuously practice those while writing programs or programming. You get exercises in class, you do projects about this. Yeah. So you have those projects about the linear data structures, queue list and stack. I don't know. I've heard about versions of queue lists and stacks, but in school you only learn one specific version of those data things. It's from the ministry version. I think it's specified directly for students to learn it. Yes, and you also get into class diagrams. For example, maybe I can open it directly. Well, that's not big, but it is one. Yes, I don't know if I have one bigger in here. Not in the beginning of those years, but if you come across those data structures, and after that you learn about algorithms. That includes sorting algorithms in general. You learn about binary search. You learn, I don't know, where are they? Divide and conquered, one thing, and this is a quick sort. Let's have a look about quick sort. About my implementation of quicksort. Well, I'm not sure if it's 100% mine, but yeah. So you get to know about those sorting algorithm, quicksort, binary search, merge sort, search algorithm and sorting algorithms. Yes, and they also work with. Then you also work with those data structures. At the end of the first year, you learn about databases and SQL. Let's open this. Yes. You learn SQL, the functions, the basic syntax, but you don't go too much into detail when you learn this, so it's just general. And if you want to know more, to really get into this script language, you have to practice it at home or do your own projects. That's what I didn't do. So I was quite bad in SQL at the beginning, I think. Also now. You learn diagrams, entity relationship diagrams. That's necessary for databases. Sorry. Yes. You get all the background information you have to know, or all the very general background information you have to know. Yes, and you build your own database on a stick, USB stick. Yeah, and you can practice the SQL statements, the SQL scripts directly on your own database. But that also depends on the teacher. So yeah, in my second year, I learned some other things. We left the linear data structures and we came to the non-linear data structures such as trees or graphs. So you learn about binary search tree. Let's check this out. Yeah, you have interfaces. You learn something about interfaces, but I think most of the students in the course don't have a clue about interfaces. Well, that's because if you really want to learn, you have to program for yourself while learning this in class, and then you get better. We implemented binary search tree here. Well, we get a lot of advice. After binary search trees, we had also graphs with vertex and edges. Maybe let's see those diagrams. Oh wow, 4 classes in one diagram. I think that's record. Oh no, also 4, but with associations. So you see something like a small progress in here, and you learn how to traverse a tree. I don't know what. Oh yes, pre-order, in-order, post-order. We had also projects like Orthodrome, where we implement binary tree or binary search tree, and yeah, we basically have direct examples to practice. Let's check this out. With one version with BlueG and one graphical user interface. That was the time where I also could build something like that a bit. Let's see that. Yes. It's, I don't know. Well, basically, well, it works. You have a tree in here. Imagine a tree. You can print it out in different orders, like traverse it. Yeah, and you can also add cities. In this case, it's a tree, binary search tree that have cities in it. I don't know, content object, city. Yes, and you can also add cities in this program, but this is not what you learn. I did this for my own, this graphical user interface. Yes, it's one example for you. At the end of the second year, you also learn communication and networks. You get the general overview about those topics. You learn something about protocols and IP addresses, but well, that's also very in general, and if you want to learn more about that, you quite have to do it on your own and do personal research or something like that, or buy a book and try this out. So what you also learn in the second year is something about finite automatons, deterministic also. Yes, you learn also in general the things. You learn some algorithms on the automatons, and yeah. So at the end of this, let's have a look at this. Now I hope that you know something about what you learn in school and computer science advanced courses. Well, my personal opinion is that if you like that, if you want to go in this direction, it's necessary to choose this course in school, and if it's your passion or if you really like that, you will love this course. I think this was most of the time in school the course I liked the most. Like all the other courses, I thought, oh no, fuck, German lessons or English lessons now. With computer science it was okay, yes. Not always, but most of the time it was yes. And this is also this was special. So I hope this video helped you. If you have also questions, other questions about what you learn in school in computer science, you can ask me down in the comments below. So, and at the end of the video, let us play one game. Super Mario. Oh, it works.